Google has unveiled Gemini 2.5, its most advanced artificial intelligence model to date, marking a significant step up in the AI world. This latest iteration introduces thinking capabilities, enabling the model to process tasks step by step and make more informed decisions. This approach enhances the model's ability to handle complex prompts, resulting in more accurate and contextually relevant responses. All models in the Gemini 2.5 family, including future versions, are designed as thinking models capable of reasoning through their thoughts before responding, resulting in enhanced performance and improved accuracy. Google highlights that it is building these thinking capabilities directly into all of its models to enable them to handle more complex problems and support even more capable context-aware agents. Gemini 2.5 delivers new level of performance by combining a significantly enhanced base model with improved post-training, making it the most advanced iteration yet. The first model in this series is Gemini 2.5 Pro, also known as Gemini 2.5 Pro EXP0325 and codenamed Nebula. Designed for tackling complex tasks, Google states that it tops the LM Arena leaderboard, which measures human preferences by a significant margin. Additionally, it leads in mathematics and science benchmarks without test time techniques that increase cost, like majority voting. Google has officially launched Gemini 2.5 Pro, now available in Google AI Studio, and the Gemini app for Gemini Advanced users. The model will also be integrated into Vertex AI in the near future. Additionally, Google has announced that pricing details will be introduced in the coming weeks, allowing users to access higher rate limits for large-scale production use.